हेलो फ्रेंड, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज नंबर 75 की डिक्टेशन। लेट स्टार्ट। ए लाइफ ऑफ लीजर इज ए लाइफ ऑफ प्लेजर। फुल स्टॉप। नीडलेस टू से दिस इज ए fallacy, comma, but, comma, false, as it is, comma, it is fairly, widely spread, full stop. Many foolish fellows bewail their lack of means to choose either to loll or to labor, comma, just as they like. They look jealously on those who appear to have nothing else to do but eat and drink and enjoy a merry life, comma, when the poor man toils ceaselessly for food and lodging for himself and family, full stop. But in simple truth, comma, there is no more a full life than the lazy, comma, useless life of the idle man, comma, and it is also true to say there are exceedingly few rich men nowadays liable to the charge of laziness, comma, because they now the busy life is the happy one, full stop. Happiness is an elusive thing, comma, and more rich men than poor fail to grasp it, full stop. Thank you.